Gal dem a wine for the Bitcoin. Scammer dem a scam for the Bitcoin. Old fashion with your
Hey, what's happening, guys? D-Mill is here. Reggaejahm Discussionz. Yeah. So this is the first time I'm actually doing one of these videos, but this was the idea behind leaving the questions at the bottom of the Reggaejahm Jahmin Post of the week. You know, the weekly post, curation post, you know. I'm hoping that people answer these questions in blog form or in vlog form, right? Just get some discussions going, try to build up the community, right, guys? Discussions, Reggaejam's Discussionz. So last week's discussion topic was, how do you think JAM-Dex, the new Jamaican digital dollar or CBDC, will affect the lives of people in Jamaica, seeing that it's a developing nation, right? So for those of you who don't know, JAM-Dex is the Jamaican digital dollar. You know, it's already released, and it's gonna be pushed, you know, starting April 1st, as in they're aiming for adoption, and they're doing this by incentivizing people to download the wallets from the various wallet providers, right? So that's the thing. You can be a wallet provider as long as you fit certain criteria, and you know. So the most popular wallet application is called Link, Lynk, right? And it looks pretty decent. I can't download it here in Japan, but you know, if you're in Jamaica, you know someone in Jamaica who has downloaded the Link app, you know, let me know. But yeah, guys, so they're ready to roll this out, and they're incentivizing Jamaicans to download the wallet. And the first 100,000 people to download the wallet will receive 2,500 Jamaican dollars. So you're seeing that they're copying the El Salvador playbook here, but not with crypto, but with a centralized digital currency, which is not a bad idea, because you know, we know people love money, you know, especially people in Jamaica, you know. Jamaicans, if I was in Jamaica, I would jump on this so fast, right? I'm not saying I love centralized currencies, but hear me out. That's why I'm going to answer this question. How do you think JAM-Dex, the new Jamaican digital dollar or CBDC, will affect the lives of people in Jamaica, seeing that it's a third world nation? All right, so personally, guys, I think it's going to be good for doing things like paying bills, paying taxes. We don't want to pay them, but we have to pay them. And I think the younger people are going to realize that, oh, I can pay this bill inside the Link wallet. Nice. Pew, pew. They're going to start using it. They're going to tell their friends. They're going to tell their parents, their grandparents. They're going to show their uncle and aunt how to use it. And it will gain adoption because of the ease of use and the convenience. No one wants to walk around with cash anymore in Jamaica, man. It's not the safest thing to do, right? At least anywhere in the West, right? We're probably only safe in Japan, guys. Japan's so safe, man. A mouse could walk down the road with $1,000,000 and people would be like, oh, look at the mouse. Oh, gambate. Crazy, right? I personally feel that each household should have at least one person with this JAM-Dex wallet, the Link wallet, or whatever wallet you choose to use. Why? The same convenience. You want to pay some bills, you want to get something done online, boom, get it done. At least one person. Everyone doesn't have to have it, right? Not everyone. I know there's the big issue with privacy. A lot of people are like, oh man, they're going to control our lives and they know all our transactions. Yes. But at the same time, when you take a look at a credit card or a debit card, it's the same thing with added features and more liquid. When you buy something with your credit card, they know exactly where you bought it, what you bought, how much you paid, who you paid. They know, just like the central bank digital currency. But they don't have time to be looking at all these transactions to see what you're doing, unless they think you're doing something criminal, right? So, and if you're a criminal, you wouldn't be using a digital currency to do your transactions, right? You would use that to pay your bills, and you would use, you know what I mean, cash to do your thing. Simple as that, right? All right. Where was I now? In terms of crime, guys, how it will affect Jamaica? A lot of people are going to stop carrying a lot of cash. Like you have all these the cash delivery guys. You know, it's like, all right, it's necessary now, but you can see people weaning off of cash because they realize they're targets. So a lot of people are going to stop carrying these wads of cash, and they're just going to have their phone. And if their phone gets stolen, it won't be so easy to move that JAM-Dex off of that phone. You know what I mean? So on that note, you know, crime may decrease a bit because there's no cash to steal, but then we're going to see more sophisticated criminals. We're going to see the hackers and the criminals linking up, right? And they're going to find a way to tamper with this system. They're going to find a way, guys. No matter how safe it is, criminals always find a way. They're going to find some way to hack into people's phone. They're going to find some way to get some ransom money. Hey, go here, go to this ABM, cash out and leave it under this and that ABCD. They're going to find a way. So we might see some increase in kidnapping style crimes in Jamaica because there's no cash to get and just go. They're going to be grabbing people and say, yo, come, you have JAM-Dex, you know what, let's go to the ATM, we're going to wait in the car. If you do nothing, we know where you live, get the money, come back here, don't make no funny move, or dust wago dust you. So we're going to see more crimes like that, guys, you know. We're going to see more crimes like that, that's no doubt. But a lot of businesses are going to try their best not to hold a lot of cash, because you see what's going on right now, guys. People want to grab cash, right? In terms of crypto and the Jamaican CBDC, I see a situation where someone is going to come and be the middleman, like the third party that bridge the JAM-Dex, the CBDC for Jamaica, and crypto. Someone's going to come and fill that gap so you can just, send JAM-Dex here and receive Bitcoin there. Somebody's going to do that. You know, cash in, cash out of crypto. And they're going to be the middleman. They're going to earn a fee and they're going to make a lot of money, you know. No, that's not going to be me. But I know people are going to do it. Eventually, you're going to see people doing this and they're going to get very wealthy. Of course, the legal side of it is going to be explored by, regulators. But by the time they catch on to it, then you're going to have legal entities. And so these underground guys are going to just disappear. Or they might become the legal entities, right? So that's going to happen, guys. That's no doubt going to happen. Crypto and JAM-Dex linking up, mad thing. That's going to happen, guys. We're also going to see that for remittances, right? We're going to see middlemen come in and fill the gap, right? It's like, okay, you want to send money to Jamaica? They're going to be guys in like New York. All right, send me the US dollar, and I will instantly send the equivalent JAM-Dex to your family in Jamaica if they have JAM-Dex, and then collect a fee. So we're going to see a lot of underground businesses like this popping up. Again, the legality, it's not going to be legal, but it's going to be done. It's going to be convenient for a lot of people. They're going to trust these places in Jamaica and these guys are abroad to send the currency to Jamaica. So just imagine now, I'm in Japan, right? And I have the link to a JAM-Dex wallet in Jamaica. And I say, all right, you want to send money to your family in Jamaica? Send me the 100,000 yen and I send the equivalent, in Jamaican dollars to your family member. Tell me their JAM-Dex ID and then boom, okay, you send the money and I will charge less than any of these services out there. So that's going to be a thing. Right, guys? And how do I know this, guys? It's just obvious. It's just obvious. You know what I mean? Once you've been in the industry for some time, once you understand currency, you understand the runnings of things. You see these things coming, I'm not no rocket scientist, but you see these things coming. The major things I want to see with this JAM-Dex is the ability to transact globally. And that's not going to happen for now. And this is what XRP is supposed to do. It's supposed to bridge all the central bank digital currencies. So if they do that, guys, XRP will be of real value. Right now, XRP has some value in some other things, you know, on-demand liquidity, nothing that benefits the average person. You know what I mean? But they're going after remittances, and I want to see JAM-Dex be global. If I want to buy something abroad, I can just click, you know, use JAM-Dex. That's what I want to see. That's not going to happen for now, right? And I also want to see JAM-Dex become the thing that bridges, you know, crypto and digital currency in Jamaica, as in like makes it easy to cash in and easy to cash out. Because a lot of people in Jamaica right now, they want to get into crypto, they don't know how. A lot of them using cex.io, sex.io, yeah, sex, easy to remember, right? cex.io. But there's a lot of complaints, things are always changing, can't withdraw the money. So they need better options, because so many people want to get into crypto in Jamaica and they can't, you know. So many people want to join Hive right now, Reggaejahm, but they don't want to, because it's like, how do I cash out? But my advice is, yo, figure that out later. Just earn that crypto, earn that jam, you know, reggaejam.com, our site, built for Caribbean and reggae content. First reggae crypto project in the world, guys. And I can say that proudly, right? Right now, you know, right now we're just holding on, guys. We're just holding on. And we're just doing our thing, you know, representing for the culture on Web3. But you can post up right here on reggaejam.com. Earn some crypto, more than one. You can earn multiple cryptos for making content, right? The same content you put on YouTube, the same content you put on Twitter, TikTok, but more meaningful stuff, guys. But we're there, guys. The email is Reggaejahm Community on Hive. This is Reggaejam's Discussions. This is long. Who really gonna watch this? I have no clue. If you do, bless up.